My name is Mrs. Field and I'm Key Stage 3 Coordinator for Geography. Geography is the best subject you could study, obviously my personal opinion. It's really relevant, so everything that we study is kind of all about the world around us, because geography literally means the study of the world. So it's taken into account all of the kind of current issues that are on the news, and we start at a simple level in Year 7 and then we build on that through the years, through to Year 11. It's brilliant because it covers a lot of different topics. We look at things like climate change, deforestation, migration, lots of different topics that are of interest to the children, and they always find from Year 7 that they kind of really enjoy studying all of the different topics that we cover. We always say as a child you ask at least 300 questions in a day, and that's no different in geography. As soon as you enter Year 7, the more questions you ask the better, because essentially we're all about exploring kind of our surroundings, what's made up the world around us, and how we can be a part of kind of the solution moving forwards, how we can drive change from things that have happened in the past to looking at how we can be part of the solution of some of the biggest issues in the future. So studying geography just gives you a chance when you leave school to be able to go on and understand so much more about the processes that have shaped the world, and thinking about kind of potential solutions to things like recycling, plastic pollution, all of those kind of issues. Just geography sets you up nicely to be able to understand more and more of the world.
Geography is a great subject, and I really like it because it teaches you so many different things about the world, not just rocks and mountains. But my favourite was globalisation. It teaches you so much about how people move from one place to another, and urban areas, rural areas and stuff like that.
We have a large number of students carrying on the subject through to A-level, and this really helps Year 7 and 8 because they can see how popular the subject is, and for them we start building skills early on in Year 7 and 8 that they can then take through to GCSE and to A-level. So the knowledge that they learn in Year 7 at a simple level is then built on year, and some of the topics that are perhaps more complex, having that understanding at Year 7 on a perhaps more simple scale is much easier then to progress through to GCSE and to A-level. And for me, teaching all the years, it's quite interesting to see the progression that the children make, and getting to know the children as well from Year 7. Some of the students that I now teach in A-level I've taught in Year 7, and it's excellent to see how much they've progressed in their knowledge, in their understanding and in their skills as well, from the early years right the way through to kind of Year 13.